I've seen the product. It looks very clean, very clinical, and very professional, but also very fresh. It looks as if people can engage with it, and that's what I'm excited about. I hope it will increase the traffic because the whole website looks a lot fresher. It's trying to engage the younger market who are very much into social media, and we have been doing social media on a very ad hoc basis. So it's literally to just get people to just look at it and just sort of say, wow, it has a wow factor. To introduce regular social media will increase brand awareness, absolutely, yes. To engage with a lot of people, and we hope to get more clients. So if somebody asks me why would I do business with Opticommerce, it's, I'd say 100% because they're very professional. They've got a professional person looking after every part of the business of the website, from social media to the actual website to marketing. So every person is unique in that niche market. It's not just one person doing the whole thing, and that's why I recommend them highly.